Okay, guys, we're back to intercepting. Yeah. Okay, there's a lot of tornadoes. Yep, a lot. Let's go. Let's get the dome. Let's get the dome tree. Oh. Oh no, there's. Yep, the dome tree is still here because it's deployed. And why is Steve still here? Oh, it's also deployed. So just undeployed. Oh, what just happened? Oh my gosh, I just fell. Wait a second, guys. Okay, guys, I'm in now. Just gonna grab it. Wait a second. There we go. Okay, we need to be careful. We might crash it. Okay, let's just go reverse. I'm gonna restart my life. Oh my gosh. Oh, I scratched it. Oh my god. Let's go. Woo! Okay, that was close. Why is Titus deployed? But I can't cross now. Why is he blocking the way? And Dom 1 is there. There is literally no tornado, bro. Why are there? Okay, I'm just gonna do my best to get out of here. Okay. I don't want to destroy Titus. Oh my gosh, I just crashed. Bruh. Why are we crashing? There's a... Okay, there we go. Why is there people here? What happened to that car? Let's wait for a tornado to come. Okay, they're gathered up here. T2 is over. Okay, I'm just gonna deploy. And let's wait for tornadoes. Tornado spotted! It's right there. Look, you can see it. Okay guys, it's an EF2 I think. No, it's an EF3 again. Why is it always EF3? Okay guys, you can see the winds. Oh no, the winds are here. Yep, we're going in. Yeah, oh my gosh, it's 157. 161. Wait, what is that? Oh my gosh, it's an EF4. Bruh, it's an EF4. Oh, it's an EF4. We might fly away. Oh my gosh. Oh, they flew away. Yo. Oh my gosh, it's my first time intercepting an EF4. Almost everyone is flying. Yo. That was insane. Oh my gosh. Everyone's starting to fly away. That was a big one. Yep, it's getting weaker now. We're getting further away. Bro, okay. I think we can undeploy now. Oh, Dave 2 is here. Oh, why is there a Storm River there? But that was an insane one. That was my first time. My first time intercepting an EF4. Bro, we can't cross properly. Tornadoes blocking the way. How did Dominator 1 survive it? They already reached 200. Okay, it's blocking the way. Okay, we need to cross here. Yep, we're shaking. Yep. 。  . 。  . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。
Yep.
Yep. We need to deploy now. Deploy. Oh my gosh, we just drifted. Bro, spawn the probe! Now! Now! There we go! Bro, sit down! There! Why does it say no serious winds? Oh well. Yeah, we're in the tornado. Up, up, up. No serious winds. Heavy probe. Oh my gosh, 183! 196! Oh! How did we survive that again? One. Oh, it reached 200! Yo! That was my first time intercepting a 200 mile per hour tornado. Bruh, how did we survive that? Okay, we can stand up now. I'm just gonna grab my probe. Wait a second, I'm just gonna move it. Yeah, that was insane. Oh, it's under us. Hey, I can't escape. It's just all because of the probe. How do I grab it? Oh well, I'm just gonna spawn. Okay, there we go. And I can't even grab it. What? Okay, okay, let's just go back to the sewer and we're just gonna park it again. Okay, we intercepted all of the tornadoes. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait until another tornado comes next time only because we intercepted all of the tornadoes. Okay, bye guys. Just wait for like 3 days like that. Okay, bye guys. Team Dominator out.